Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you Outlook tips and tricks to maintain a well-organized email. One of the most beneficial things to do is to add folders to your Favorites tab, which is located at the top left of your Outlook email up here. I will be showing you how to add folders and inboxes to your Favorites tab that benefit everyday users of Outlook. Some of the essential folders I use in my favorites are my inbox, unread mail, deleted items, and for follow-up. You can always add more specific folders that you feel will benefit you more, but for today's video, I'm going to be focusing on just these few. Adding a folder to your Favorites tab is quite simple. Locate the folder you would like to add, right-click, go down to Add to Favorites, click on it, and now it will appear in your Favorites tab. Creating a custom Favorites tab helps maintain an organized email because it keeps all of your essential folders up at the top of your email at all times. Next, I'll be showing you how to add for follow-up to your inbox. To add the for follow-up folder, what you're going to need to do is navigate yourself to the top of the ribbon and click on Folder. Then navigate to New Search Folder and find where it says Mail Flagged for Follow-up. Click that and then select OK. Now the for follow-up folder is in your search folders. Now we are going to use our previous technique of adding to favorites and find for follow-up and add to favorites. Flagging for follow-up is a great technique to use when you cannot complete a task right away. Let us say you get an email from your manager instructing you to do something, but you can't finish it at the current moment. What you do is flag the email for follow-up. Flagging an email for follow-up is quite simple. All you must do is navigate to the email that you want to flag, either left-click on it or right-click to set a custom flag for follow-up date. I recommend using your Favorites tab regularly to keep an organized inbox and using Flag for Follow-up to keep up with important emails. By keeping your email clean and using the For Follow-up tool, you can work more efficiently and not have to scour your inbox for the important email your boss sent you a week ago. Stay tuned for more videos and visit Fidelis' YouTube channel for more interesting tips and techniques. Please feel free to leave a comment on what you thought about today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.